Talk is best experienced live. Free giveaways, fabulous guests, and your favorite hosts.
We're nothing without you, so I thank you and God bless.
Join our live audience and see for yourself. For tickets, go to thetalk.com.
All right, before we say goodbye, we have a giveaway that will make you smile. It's time to bring you something we think is amazing in our must-have. The Bluetooth-enabled GLO Lit teeth whitening device is a must-have beauty product that will have you glowing with confidence all season long. GLO Science GLO Lit teeth whitening device kit with Bluetooth retails for $149, but today, everyone is going home with it for free. For your chance to win at home, retweet our post on Twitter today or go to thetalk.com/giveaways. And as a reminder, tomorrow on The Talk, we'll celebrate Halloween with our 5th annual Rocktober Lip Sync War. Cheryl, who are you going to be? Who is it? She's still not talking. Find out which one of us is going to be crowned the champion. Thank you for joining the conversation, and let's talk tomorrow.